In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a chart in OneNote. Let's start by copying the chart from Excel. First, open your Excel file that contains the chart you want to use. Select the entire chart by clicking on it. You will see a border appear around the chart, indicating that it is selected. Once selected, right-click on the chart and choose the option that says Copy. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C. This action stores the chart in your clipboard, making it ready for pasting. This step is essential because it allows you to transfer your data visually into OneNote, enhancing your notes and presentations. Now, let's move on to opening OneNote. Locate the OneNote application on your computer. You can find it in your Start menu or by searching for it in your applications. Once you open OneNote, you will see a familiar interface with your notebooks on the left side. If you don't have any notebooks yet, you can create one by clicking on New Notebook. Opening OneNote is crucial because it is the platform where you will be pasting the chart you copied. With OneNote ready, you can organize your notes and visuals efficiently. Next, click where you want the chart to be placed in your OneNote page. You can navigate through your notebooks and sections until you find the exact spot for the chart. Click directly on the page where you want it. You can choose a blank area or even place it alongside text for better context. This step is important as it allows you to position your chart precisely where you want it. A well-placed chart can significantly enhance the readability and impact of your notes. After positioning your cursor, it's time to paste the chart. Press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V to paste the chart into your OneNote page. You will see the chart appear almost instantly. This action imports the visual data from Excel into your notes. It's a straightforward process, but it makes a big difference in how your information is presented. You will see your chart integrated seamlessly into OneNote, ready for any further adjustments you may want to make. Once you have pasted the chart, take a moment to review it. You can resize it by clicking and dragging the corners. This allows you to fit it perfectly within your page layout. Additionally, you can move it around by clicking and dragging the entire chart. This flexibility is beneficial because it enables you to customize your notes to suit your needs. You can also add text captions or annotations near the chart to provide more context for your viewers. At this point, make sure to save your work in OneNote. OneNote automatically saves your changes, but it's always a good practice to ensure your data is secure. You can check for a confirmation message that indicates your changes have been saved. This little step saves you a lot of time later and prevents any potential data loss. With your chart successfully added and adjusted, you can now use it in your presentations or for your studies. Adding visual data like charts can significantly enhance your notes and make your information clearer. This is important because visuals can help convey complex information more effectively. You now know how to transfer charts from Excel to OneNote, making your notes more dynamic and engaging. In summary, you have learned to copy a chart from Excel, open OneNote, click to position it, and paste it using the shortcut. This process not only enhances your notes but also boosts your productivity. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful for your note-taking needs.